Did you clean your teeth this morning? Of course you did. It's the same with data. Keep it clean with regular maintenance and it will also perform well for years to come. Data doesn't just decay naturally over time. How you collect it, store it, and deploy it can also cause data inaccuracy. If you don't capture all data correctly, your database will soon be of no use. Collect data in the right format to save considerable time and expense later down the line. Integrate data capture checks with your other systems to increase efficiency and ensure quality. 49% of respondents said that data within their organisation is siloed. Creating a single source of truth alleviates this problem. The benefits of a single source of truth are cost saving, increased data confidence, improved sales, operational efficiency, and compliance. Using unclean data for marketing and business analysis can create many problems for your organisation, including, but not limited to, wasteful use of resources. When you choose not to clean your data, you are effectively choosing to spend money on people who will never receive your information. For example, sending mail from an inaccurate database. Prices for sending a first-class letter through your franking machine with Royal Mail Mailmark technology start from 78p, and a second-class letter starts at 51p. Just a 5% inaccuracy in a database of 100,000 amounts to 5,000 records. Mailing costs alone for this number of records, based on a 100-gram letter, would be between $3,900 for first class or $2,550 for second class. If the mailing piece was produced at a unit cost of £3, the total unnecessary expenditure per mailing would be £18,900. If this was a monthly campaign, after a year, the wasted budget would be £226,800. Accurate data in a single source makes it easier to comply with data regulations, making data easier to manage, update, and access. Controlling access while documenting usage and permissions becomes much quicker, and it will be easier to report your compliance. A major challenge cited by 41% of companies is tying customer data to business action. With accurate customer data, you'll be able to review customer behaviour, gain actionable insight, and pinpoint the best opportunities to support your business growth. In summary, clean data will save you money on marketing, increase your productivity and service levels, streamline workflows and processes, enhance business analysis and decisions, and ultimately keep your customers happy. At HopeWiser, we're passionate about data. We help businesses engage with their customers through self-service via our portal, purchasing online, customer service engagement, bureau services, software, support, marketing, and analytics. Our solutions integrate into many platforms, enabling us to accelerate your projects and the successful cleansing and continuous management of your customers' data. For more information, visit our website, give us a call, or email us at enquiries@hopewiser.com.